So I went ahead and I added the pectin. I just didn't want to chance it, so, and it'll help to set the jelly. And I'm looking at it, and it's really slowing down while it's not gathering like I want it to, but with the pectin, it'll help to set it. It's nice and thick. I'm pretty happy with that. There's a lot of bubbles in there. But I'm going to let it set for a little bit. And look at that beautiful color. It's like a nice dark rosé color, which I'm happy. Okay. Put that here. You don't smell the alcohol as much. Okay. I think that's a nice hard boil. And I boiled it for approximately, I'd say about a good 12 minutes now. Give it a couple more minutes. Then I'm going to shut it off. Let it set for a while. I'm going to just, put it in my jars. And my sterilized jars. I'm going to put it in while it's hot. But I'm going to let this stand for a little bit. And then I'm going to process them. And then I'll show you the end results. Oh, and by the way, this is the mustard barbecue sauce that I made from the peach salsa jam. So I called it the sweet spicy peach mustard barbecue sauce. And it's delicious. I can't wait to try it on something special, and I'm gonna try it on ribs. Okay, some pork ribs, and if I have to, and you know what, I like them. I don't eat them all the time, but I enjoy them, so I'm gonna enjoy them. Okay, I'll see you soon and show you the final results of everything that I've canned so far. Okay, I will talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.